Welcome to Spring LIB.
All right, here's a cool problem. We have a function 9x squared minus y squared equals 1, and we are going to find our derivative by implicit differentiation. So let's write that down, implicit differentiation. All right, okay, so that means we can just start taking the derivative. We don't have to solve for y first. And so when we take the derivative, we'll do power rule. So we'll get 9 times 2, so 18 x to the first power, minus, we're going to do power rule and chain rule. So 2y to the first power dy dx. And derivative of 1 is 0. I want to get dy dx by itself, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to subtract 18 x from both sides and then divide by minus 2. Let me do it in 2 steps just so it's clear to everyone. So let's go back and actually do it in 2 steps. And I'll actually just do it below. It'll be a little easier to see what's happening. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is subtract, and I don't need to put first power. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 18x from both sides so we can see every step clearly. And then I'm going to divide both sides by minus 2y. And that will get dy dx by itself. I can clean it up just a tad, and that will give me 9x over y. All right, so there is the first part solved. We found we used implicit differentiation to find the derivative of our y function. All right, excellent. All right, let's do part B. Part B now says let's solve for y first and then take the derivative that way. All right, so this is our equation. I'll rewrite it. 9x squared minus y squared equals 1. I'm going to subtract 9x squared from both sides, and then multiply by a negative 1 both sides, and that will give me, I can reverse the order here. Then we square root both sides, but that will give me plus or minus square root of 9x squared minus 1, and then I can write as 9x squared minus 1 to the 1/2 power. All right, now we're going to take the derivative directly, so we'll use power rule, chain rule. So dy, let's change color here just for emphasis that we're now doing the derivative. Okay, so dy dx is going to be plus or minus, we bring the 1/2 down, and we keep the inner argument the same, but bring the power down to subtracting 1 from 1/2, which is minus 1/2. And then we have chain rule, so we multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is 18x. All right, so this looks, we can clean it up a tad. Let's see, we're going to get 1/2 of 18 is 9. We still have plus or minus. So on the top is 9x. On the bottom is square root of 9x squared minus 1. And, oh, cool, look at that. Whoops, let's go one lower. Plus or minus, look at this, plus or minus square root of 9x squared minus 1 equals to y. So I can replace this by 9x over y, and we get the same result as we did for implicit. So very fun, very cool. So it works that that the two methods work, they're the same. All right, hopefully that helped. Have a wonderful day.